Fajri, have you seen the little news about the disaster in Sumatra?
Yes, I have. I've been following the updates since the first day. I really heartbreaking.
I feel the same way. I am sorry to say this, but I am think the central government was slow to respond at the beginning of the disaster.
I understand why you feel that way, but I don't completely agree. I believe the government tried to handle the situation carefully.
I respect you opening. However, it's still think helping the victim emergency slow have be her top priority.
I agree. The providing fast assistance is very important, but managing a large-scale disaster requires time and coordination.
That's true. I apologize for jogging the subtitle to quality, but seeing but see people waiting for help made me emotional.
No need to apologize. I also felt sad watching people struggling to survive without enough food and shelter.
Exactly, I think have government need to improve their disaster response system, is special especially uh, especially in remote areas.
I agree with that preparing better infrastructure and training emergency teams can help to reduce future strikes.
Yes, and as all be believing for working close closely closely with local government in important to speed up the response.
I agree. I agree. Local authorities understand the situation better and cooperating with them help to deliver and faster.
But honestly, I still disagree with how information was shared in the community. Clearly, clearly, why, clearly, why the public was not done well.
I partly agree. I'm sorry for defending the communication strategy earlier, but I think I think they could have done better.
Thank you for understanding. I appreciate you listening to my opinion, even short way don't always agree.
Of course, discussing different views help us to understand the issues more deeply.
I also agree that le- learning from past disaster I'm important from the government.
Absolutely, they should focus on improving preparedness not just responding after a disaster happens.
I am glad we can agree not noted. Hopefully, the government will continue to develop better policy.
Yes, and I hope they keep supporting the victim until their lives return to normal.
I agree. Supporting people emotionality and finally financial is necessary for recovery.
I'm sorry if earlier I sounded too optimistic about the government performance.
It's okay. I understand your perspective. Having in the i- having in faith opinion is part of discussing important issues.
In the end, we all want the same thing, which is helping people live safely.
Actually, agree to support but better disaster management and hope listen from this tragedy help to prevent further problem.
Amin. Let's hope the government keep improving their action for the people of Indonesia.